Morning everybody! It's our second day of our maths this week. It's Tuesday. Let's start off exactly how we always start our lessons. We're going to start off by doing some counting. Are you ready? Here we go. Show me your fingers. Here we are then. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Start again. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Well done for joining in, and hopefully you got all the way to the end. Now, over the weekend, I was learning about doing some counting, and it's a little bit of a funny way, and I'm going to show you what we did. So we started off with 0, and we counted up to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, instead of saying 10, we said 110, because that's one lot of 10, isn't it? And then instead of saying 11, we went 110 1, 110 2, 110 3, 110 4, 110 5, 110 6, 110 7, 110 8, 110 and 9. And then we said 2 tens. And then we carried on counting. We went 210 1, 210 2, 210 3, 210 4, 210 5, 210 6, 210 7, 210 8, 210 9, and then 3 tens. Now, in English, that sounds a little bit funny, but did you know that somewhere all around the world, in other languages, that's how they count? They don't count in English with our English words and our English numbers. They use it in their own languages. So it makes things a little bit easier for them to understand. Right, let's move on, shall we? Let's have a go at doing this. It says, what is 1 less or 1 fewer? So this is the numicon for the number 5. And 1 less than 5 is, shout it out. If you said 4, well done. Here we go. What's this numicon? It's the number 7. And 1 less than 7 is, if you said 6, then you're right. Well done. And here's the number 6 now. There we are, 6. 1 less than 6 is, here it is, it's 5. There we go. Now, what's this shape? It's vanished. Do you want to see it again? What was the name of that shape? It's a triangle. Well done. And this triangle has got 3 equal sides. But remember, all the sides don't have to be the same. So long as it's got 3 straight sides, it's a triangle. What's this shape now? Oh, and it's vanished. Name that shape. It was a square. Remember, all right, we've got a square. It's got 4 equal sides. Each side is the same length, isn't it? Okay, what's this next shape? It's gone. What could it be? I'll show you again. There we go, it's gone now. It is a triangle. Well done. This is an unusual triangle because every straight side is a different length. We've got short and long. And the last one, what's this shape? It's gone. I'll show you again. There we are. It's a rectangle, and the other word is an oblong. Well done. And don't forget, with an oblong, opposite sides are the same, aren't they? So these opposite sides, they're the same length. They're the long sides. And these sides are short sides, aren't they? Okay, looking at this one, we've got some scales now. Okay, here we are. Now look at these scales carefully. All right, we might want to pause the video, just have a little think. Unfortunately, one of them is wrong. So you're going to have to look and see which one you think is wrong. Remember, the heavy things push the scales down. And if it's light, all right, the heavy side goes down and the light side goes up. Okay, pause the video and I'll come back in a moment. Okay, see you in a second. So which one did you think then? We've got a brick and a bottle of water. We've got a butterfly and a book. We've got a mug and a pen. And then here we've got a teddy bear and a feather. So which one is the wrong set of scales? It's this one up here, isn't it? Look, we've got a heavy butterfly and a light book. I don't think so. Okay. Now, yesterday we were thinking about length. We were thinking about short and long, weren't we? But today we're going to be thinking, oh, well, I'll let you have a think what it might be. Look at these trees. What can you tell me about them? What do you notice? We've got some very, very straight trees there, haven't we? We've got lots of green leaves at the top. But do you notice? We've got some tall trees. Here they are, look. A tall tree. We've got another tall tree. Look, there's some tall trees on this side as well. We've also got some short trees. And here are the short trees. Okay, so we've got tall and short. Okay, so tall, all right, it's going to be very, very high. And short, it's not very high at all. And I bet if you stand up straight at home, you might think that you're very, very tall. But do you know what? Sometimes, if you stand up very, very tall, a grown-up comes along and they're even taller, aren't they? So it makes you feel a bit short again. Right, have a look at these animals. What can you tell me about these animals? Have a look at them. We've got giraffe and we've got an antelope here, all right? What can you tell me about them? The giraffes are tall, and there we are, the antelope is short. They're tall, they've got this very tall neck as well, haven't they? Now, have a look at this city, all right? We've got some buildings in the city, all right? And I want you to have a look and think, which one is the shortest? Which building is the tallest? All right, I'm going to pause the video so you can pause at home as well. And then you can have a little think about the shortest and the tallest. And then maybe all of the other buildings as well. So I'll see you in a moment, okay? Right, did you have a little think then? Which do you think is the shortest building? We've got quite a few that are short, but the shortest one means that it's the very, very, very shortest one. I think this one's the shortest possibly. But look, we've got lots of short buildings as well, haven't we? Which one do you think is the tallest? Is it this one? What about this one? Or maybe this one? I think this one, because it's got, just at the top up here, it's got a little spire as well, hasn't it? Now, I'm going to try and put these flowers in order. I'm going to put them from the shortest to the tallest. So have a quick little think. We've got a pink flower, we've got a blue flower and a yellow flower. Which is the shortest one? And which is the tallest one? Watch and see where they go. So I've put the pink one over here because it's the shortest one. Then I've put the tallest one over here. So where will the blue one go, do you think? Right there in the middle. All right. Now, I want you to have a little think, all right? If you're in the classroom, all right, then maybe you could get some children and try and put yourselves in the right order like this. Look, we're going from the shortest all the way up to the tallest. And the same here as well. But if you're at home, all right, maybe you could find some short and tall objects in your house, right? Maybe you could get them and have them on the table or on the floor where you're doing your work. And can you try and put them from the shortest and gradually getting taller and taller until you've got the tallest? That's your job for today. Take some photographs and share them with us. All right, we'd love to see what you've been getting up to. All right, I will see you tomorrow for your next maths lesson. Until then, bye everyone.